If you really want to harness the power of the sun, you gotta try this SunJack solar panel for all your devices, your power station, your laptop, even some small appliances if you want. This company sent it to me for this video. I tried it this past week and I think it is really cool for a couple scenarios. So number one, camping. I think is fantastic. You're gonna be able to charge your phone, to charge your power station, to charge your solar, not solar, but your flashlights, for example. Or even if you have some small appliances like kettles, for example, you can actually use this solar panel because it is 120 watts. But it also comes with so many cables for so many options. You can hook it to your car, you can hook it to another solar panel, you can hook it to a power station, you can hook up some DC or MC4 ports as well. This thing is having this, I think it is really cool because what's gonna happen, check it out. You're gonna open this and then you're gonna have right here your cables to connect to this one and then extend it to any of these ports, which again, I think it is really cool. Not only that, you can actually change the ports with all these options you have over here. Having MC4 cables for ports, having USB-A ports, having USB-C ports, I think it is really cool for being outdoors. I'll show this one to you in a few seconds on a close-up, but then it also comes with this bag that you can put it inside, and this thing is gonna weigh around, I wanna say 11 or 12 pounds overall. 120 watts, totally waterproof and rugged, built for non-destruction. This thing is fantastic. Check it out how big this thing is, how big this solar panel is. And it also comes with kind of like holes right here, so you can use the clips that comes with the package or actually mount it in your RV, which is to me the other scenario. If you have an RV, this could be really good to set it up in the roof of your RV and get the cables inside, and then you can charge your devices inside in case that is raining or in case that is, for example, you want to do some boil tea or coffee with a kettle or coffee maker. It needs to be small appliances. Remember that, not super big appliances. But then check it out. I'm gonna go this one right here. We're gonna take it to the sun and I'm gonna do a demo with a cell phone, for example, something that you're always gonna use if you're going out outdoors. I love that you can put it like this with the actual stands that comes built in with the actual solar panel, so that is really good. And then in the back, besides having these cables right here to connect all those other cables that I showed you before, you're gonna find two USB-A ports, and this one is already hooked, and this is harnessing the power of the sun. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna do a close-up right here to my phone, and I'm gonna try to cover the sun right here so you can see better. But check this out. This one right now, which is hooked up with the actual solar panel, which is charging right now and super fast, as you can see. This is gonna give you PD60, which is gonna be fast charging for all your devices. I hope that you can see that this one is charging already with the actual, well, now you can see it better. It says 72% and it's charging perfectly right here with the solar panel. So I do think that is really cool for when you're going out, again, camping outdoors or hiking, fishing, even going to the beach, or even using it in any sort of power outage in your house. So one more time, having this solar panel, 120 watts with the built-in stand, waterproof, rug-proof, no dust, no scratches, anything. And also having the chance to charge all your devices in some small appliances or your laptop when you're going outdoors, I think it is a must-have. I like it and totally recommend it.